Hey everyone, welcome back. In this full step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for project management in 2026. ClickUp is really powerful for keeping your projects organized, tracking progress, and collaborating with your team. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once it loads, sign in to your ClickUp account using your email and password. If you use SSO, just choose your provider and log in. After signing in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and tools are ready to use. Now, the first step is setting up your project structure. ClickUp organizes work into spaces, folders, and lists. Spaces are for broad areas like marketing or development. Inside a space, create a folder for your project, and inside that folder, create lists to manage different workflows or phases. This gives your project a clear structure from the start. Next, start adding tasks. Click Add Task inside the relevant list and give it a descriptive name. Assign the task to a team member, set a due date, and choose the appropriate status. You can also add priorities, checklists, attachments, and custom fields to make tasks more detailed and trackable. Views are a key part of project management. Switch between List View for details, Board View for workflow tracking, Calendar View for deadlines, and Gantt View to visualize timelines and dependencies. Each view gives you a different perspective on your project. You can also set a default view for consistency. Automation saves a lot of time. Click on Automations inside a list to set triggers like changing task statuses, assigning tasks automatically, or sending notifications when a task is updated. This reduces manual work and ensures tasks move smoothly through the workflow. Dashboards are great for tracking progress. Add widgets for task completion, workload, project timelines, or priorities. Dashboards give you a real-time overview of project health and help you spot bottlenecks early. Communication is built in too. Use task comments, mentions, and ClickUp docs to keep project discussions and documentation connected to tasks. This avoids scattered messages across email or other apps. Finally, manage notifications and permissions. Adjust notifications so you're not overwhelmed, and make sure only the right people have access to the project. This keeps your team focused and the workspace secure. And that's it. Using ClickUp for project management in 2026 helps you organize work, track progress, and collaborate efficiently. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.